What's up, everyone? It's Chocolate Fatty here, and today I'm going to show you a cool video of how to devolve. You know evolving? How men soon went from monkey to a white man? Yeah. That, but in reverse. I'm going to transcend and turn to a monkey. It's like a reverse evolving. Okay, here it goes. Human, middle-aged man.
I've got this. Now you can see the proper transformation.
Hey, this is my native blood. Get out of here.
Obviously, that's a monkey. Monkeys can speak. Alright. When do monkeys go? You never. Ubataka? When do monkeys say ubataka?
Ubataka.
What do you want? Oh, of course, food. Obviously, he's talking about food. Uber Eats. He smells a cheeseburger. Obviously, there's a rapper around there somewhere. In, like, McDonald's. What was that laugh?
Monkey, man.
Oh, monkeys can sound a monkey, man.